Hey guys, good morning. So what I'm going to do for today is I'm going to try the Krispy Kreme donut with the glaze on top. So all of the ingredients I'll put it in the description box so that you would also have to try this at home. So let's do this. Okay guys, in here I have already put 2 packs of instant yeast, or that's like 4.5 teaspoons, and I've also put in the 1/3 cup of warm water, which is about like 40 to 46 Celsius. So this is now like sitting for already 5 minutes or more. So we will have to add our 1.5 cup of milk, which you can use like whole milk and low fat. So here is our milk. I've already warmed it in the stove because I don't have an oven. So we have put in our milk, and we will also have to include our 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. So we don't waste anything, because nowadays it's really expensive. This is 1 teaspoon of salt, so we put that in there, and then we put our eggs. That's 2 eggs. And then afterwards, we now have to put in our butter, which is 1/3 cup or 75 grams. This is already softened. Add 2 cups of our all-purpose flour. Mix this for about 2 minutes. If you have a hand mixer or a stand mixer, that would be much better because you don't have to do it by hand. But what the heck, let's do it by hand. So after we have put in the first 2 cups of all-purpose flour, we will now add in the rest of the flour, which is the 3 cups. Now we will mix this for about 2 minutes with a hand mixer on low speed. So it's ready. Is I will lightly grease this. I will grease my hand. Grease the whole dough, and we will just cover this. So we would have to wait like 1 to 2 hours until it doubled in size. So that is the time that we will have to roll out the dough to its shape. Our dough is now ready. So what we will have to do is we will roll this out into a floured surface, and then we will roll it to like a 1/4 inch thickness. Since I don't have yet a donut cutter or a cookie cutter, what I'm going to do is I am going to use this empty bottle, glass bottle, and I will use this for cutting the dough. Okay, now we will punch down the dough so that the air will be removed. And take this out. And now I'm going to floor our surface. I'll put this here. Okay, now I have my roller here. So, a tip for doing donut, for this donut to not soak up too much oil, we need our dough to be airy. So even though you don't have a complete cooking or baking equipment, you can still use other stuff. Like before, I don't have this dough roller. What I do is I just use like a tall bottle of glass, and then I use it for rolling when I'm doing my other bread. So we might make like 24 pieces of this. Let's see. That should be fine. So what now I will do is I'm going to cut into rings. Let's punch it down. So the technique that I actually have seen on some Indians who are cooking in YouTube, what they do is they use their thumb just to pinch it at the middle, and then afterwards just roll it out like that, and then you now have a donut. So you have a ring now in the middle. So that's the easy part. You will have to let this rest for about 10 minutes before frying. You can also do this circling of the donut in the middle when you have rested the donut, because this will still puff afterwards. So it's okay to do the circling afterwards. White saucepan, you put in 5 centimeters of oil, and then you put it to medium heat and wait for it to heat up until like 370 degrees. And then you put little butter, how much donuts can be put in your saucepan. So we wait for it to be golden brown, and once it is golden brown on the other side, we can turn this out. And once you have cooked your donuts, if you are going to use sugar coating, after you fry this, you roll it right away in the sugar, or which you can also put some cinnamon. tasted them. I've already eaten 3 donuts when I was cooking them earlier, and I didn't able to video it, so you didn't see it. What's my reaction? So my video reaction, yeah, for what I did is, I like it, but the glaze, it's too sweet for me. I like the cinnamon more. And with the plain one, I'm going to put some cheese or ham. So it's like a donut bun. So that's it. I'm going to put the ingredients in the description box. So I just noticed that all of you that are watching my YouTube channel is not subscribed. So please guys, it would mean so much to me if all of you are subscribe to my channel. Okay? Thanks. See you all in another one.